All right, hi everyone. Today I'm going to share a video about how to access your online textbook. Most of this we are going to go over in class, but this is a good video in case you missed class or in case you are Virtual Academy or a different cohort and you just need a review, or just if you need a review at any other point during the semester. So we have an online textbook, and the way that you're going to set up your online textbook is you're going to go here to this general resources folder, and then you are going to go to the textbook access information folder. When you get there, there are instructions here, written instructions to sign up for your textbook, but I'm just going to talk you guys through it so that you have this video that you can follow along with. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up this bookshelf. This is going to be your sign-in to something called the VitalSource Bookshelf, which is basically just your portal in order to access your textbook. And so it's just basically the online platform that you're going to get your textbook on. I already have an account, so you can see my information saved here. It would be a good idea to save your username and password. But you guys, because you don't have an account quite yet, you're going to do create a VitalSource account. And when you click on that, you are going to type in the information. Make sure you type in all the information. And your password cannot be the same, unfortunately, as your ID number. It does need to include an uppercase, a lowercase, and a special character, and have 8 characters. So just make sure that you create a password that you're going to remember, and that maybe you also save that password into a Google Doc so that you don't have trouble logging in, because you will be able to access your textbook from any computer that has internet access, or a tablet, or maybe even your phone. So you're going to fill out this security question, choose a question that you know that you're going to remember, and click on this, and then click create. So I'm just going to go back to the main page because I already have an account, and I will show you once you get here what you're going to do. So when you create your account, you're going to, it's most likely going to say that you don't have any textbooks. I clearly already have our textbook here, but you're going to go to where it says redeem codes, and so you're going to click on redeem. It's going to ask you for a code for your textbook. And so the place you're going to find that is you're going to go back to your original textbook access information, and you are going to go to the textbook codes 2020, 2021, and you are going to find your name. The blue names are my Hour 3 students, and the yellow names are my Hour 6 students, and you are going to find your code. Make sure that you're very careful about choosing your code, the code that is assigned to you, so that you don't take someone else's code. So when you find your code, so let's say I am Tina, and I am going to copy that code. So I'm going to copy my code, and then I'm going to go back to the textbook, and I'm going to click redeem my code by pasting it in there. I am not going to do that for Tina because that will take up her code, and your textbook should appear. So when you click on continue reading, or if you click on read, it's going to bring you to your textbook. So in the next video, the other thing that you want to be aware of is that this is the way that you can access your textbook online. However, on your Chromebooks, you will be able to download. This is instructions for adding Bookshelf to your Chromebook. And so your book, your textbook can be accessed in 2 ways. The first way is going to the Bookshelf website, so the VitalSource Bookshelf website, and you can either click on this link to get directly to Bookshelf, or I usually always just type in VitalSource Bookshelf, and I just click. So it's bookshelf.vitalsource.com. And this is how I log in if I'm using the internet. And the nice thing is you can access your textbook from any device that is internet enabled by going to this website. However, let's say that you're up north at a friend's cabin or you're driving and you want to do your homework, you want to do your human geography reading, but you don't have internet access. You can access, as long as you have downloaded your textbook to your Chromebook, you can access your textbook at any time, just like it was an actual textbook. So you're going to go here to the directions for adding bookshelf Chromebooks. And there's also instructions somewhere else. But basically what you're going to do is you're going to install Bookshelf by going to Google Play. So it's an app. You're going to download the Bookshelf app onto your Chromebook. And you are then going to sign in. So you already should have your textbook on your account. And then from there, you can download it to your device. And if you download it to your device, then you can do your homework, you can do your reading without internet access. So let's say you're at a cross-country meet and you need to, you have time in between your races and you need to do some homework because you know it's going to be a late night, you can do that via your Chromebook. So that's the textbook access information. And then I'm going to create a second video that talks you through your textbook a little bit, and then also how we do notes for AP Human Geography. All right.